What if I told you there's a way to play games, have fun, and actually earn while you are at it? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we are diving into Sunflower Land, one of the most exciting play to earn games on the blockchain right now. Whether you are a crypto veteran or just getting started, stick around because this game has something for everyone. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is Sunflowerland? It's a Web3 farming game built on the Polygon blockchain. Imagine combining the relaxing vibes of a farming simulator with the cutting edge tech of decentralized finance. Over 300,000 farmers have joined the game and it's growing every day. Here's the basics how it works. You farm crops, gather resources, craft NFTs, and even trade in the marketplace with other players in a fully decentralized economy. And the best part? It's play to own. The items you craft, the land you expand, and the resources you gather can all be yours to keep or trade. Real value, real fun. I'm currently at level 36, as you can see, and let me tell you, the higher you climb, the more rewarding the experience becomes. Getting started with Sunflowerland is really simple. First, for your own safety, I recommend you to follow them in Twitter or X, and then you access their website, the official one, through the Twitter. Then you're going to land in this page, and then you click in Docs, and you will have a topic here about how to start, and also you can read all about Sunflowerland, going through all these topics. In this video, I'm gonna give you a medium approach because if I would cover all these topics, the video would be so long. So first you would have to create an account at the website and then you will be required to set up a wallet. I recommend you the MetaMask. You can also open an account with an email or social login, but I don't recommend because you are in crypto. So I recommend you to use the tools that crypto and Web3 offers, and this is where you make the money. Then you will have to fund it with some Matic token or Pol token. We have the migration for Matic to Pol, and you will need it for gas fees. And then you are ready to farm your NFT and start your journey. You can use your NFT to log in with their Discord and be up to date all the announcements that the team is always bringing. They have also here in the section an official YouTube video about the ultimate guide for Sunflowerland. I recommend you to watch as well. I consider this game both for crypto beginners and seasoned pros. One thing I love about this game is how inclusive it is. You can start small, grow at your own pace, and there's no pressure to spend big money to progress. Plus, the onboarding process is user friendly and guides you and welcome you for the community to help you along the way. And today, to be honest, I spent 20 minutes of my day really focused on the gameplay, and I've been able to earn anywhere from $50 to $100 for a month. But I am not a player that is like really pushing myself to gain a lot of money from here. So I really think that you can earn more, as I know on other players that easily take $500 to $1,000 per month in this game. The maximum level now that a player can get is 125. I'm on the level 36. The higher you get the level, bigger are your perks, your rewards, and your expansion of the land. So look, it's not that much money. I know it's like I'm not gonna live with this game, but I have fun with this game. I really like the community to be part of it. I think it's one of the best blockchain games that is playable right now. And the SFL token that you can trade on chain on the quick swap DEX on Polygon, or you can send to an exchange like Coinex. And you can see here that the price is really stable around 5 cents to 10 cents. And it's up to you when you're gonna trade, where you're gonna change for dollars, for Polygon, for Ethereum, for Bitcoin. So that's the beauty of it. I'm having fun and taking these rewards and investing in tokens that I'm gonna hold for the long term. And what is really nice is that Sunflower Land is constantly updating with new features and seasonal events, ensuring there's always something exciting to explore. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, earning while playing. Sunflower Land's economy is powered by the SFL token. Every crop you harvest and every NFT you craft has real world value. But here's where it gets even better. The game's dynamic supply and demand mechanics ensure the economy stays balanced. For example, if everyone starts planting sunflowers, their value drops. This encourages players to diversify and strategize. And then there's the land expansion. As you unlock new territories, you will find rare resources, special quests, and even opportunities to craft exclusive NFTs. If you click here on the book icon, you will see that you will have a codex for Sunflowerland, that you can achieve a lot of rewards, like deliveries for coins that you will have to use to buy your crops and seeds, horseshoe that is in this season you can exchange for rewards as well, and deliveries in exchange of SFL. You will have weekly cores. This weekly cores will give you the horseshoes that you can exchange for these items, epic, rare, and you will have to visit on the plaza that I'm going to show you in a moment as well. You can fish and complete all the basics, advanced, expert, and the marine marvels. You can plant flowers, and this you can see that I'm not doing very well. You will have to choose a faction. In these factions, they will have tasks to do, and the factions will compete every week in exchange for rewards. And here you have a farmer competition. You can earn like rare NFTs, SFL and prizes, and a lot of bonus if you can beat the devs, as they are saying here. Let me present you the world. Here is the plaza that you're gonna do a lot of exchanges and deliveries. Here is the retreat, that is the place that you're gonna withdraw your SFL. But let's visit the plaza now. So I just arrived at the plaza. You can see here, this is kind of a metaverse. This is all players that are playing here with me. Right now, they are online, they are doing their tasks, earning some SFLs. And you can see here that here I can do some deliveries for Betty in exchange of coins. Now I don't have the amount that she needs. And this is the mega store with Stella. And with Stella, you can exchange your horseshoes. Every season, we have other kind of perks that we can exchange. You can see here that I have to increase my level to unblock these other two lands here. And now let's visit the beach. Here on the beach, I have a place that I can fish. I can fish at my home as well, on my land. But here I can find other kinds of fish. Then here on the beach, we have the dig side. Here you can find treasures, and you will need a sand shovel to dig here. Speak to Jafar. And Jafar is here. You will speak with Jafar, and you can craft your tools to earn collectibles and keys for secret treasuries in the game. So Sunflowerland, think of it like building your own mini empire, but one that could actually pay you back. Plus, crafting is not just rewarding, but also creatively satisfying. Let you personalize your gameplay experience, and don't miss the marketplace when you click here on these arrows. It's a vibrant hub where players buy and sell rare items and resources. It's an exciting way to boost your earnings while contributing to the player-driven economy. You can here check the SFL price, how many trades you have left on the game. See here that I made my trades already. If I want more trades per day, I will have to increase my level on the game. And here you can see how much SFL I have here in the game. I have more on my wallet. And if I want to trade, I can trade here on QuickSwap. They have the link here. Going back home, you click it here home, and then I am on my land again. I'm gonna give you a pro tip. Don't skip the daily bonus check-in. Every day you log in, you get free rewards, which can really add up over time. It's a simple habit that maximizes your progress. And when it's time to withdraw your earnings, the process is straightforward. Once you have accumulated enough SFL or crafted valuable NFTs, you can trade or sell them on the marketplace. Then simply withdraw to your wallet and convert your earnings to your preferred currency. It's seamless and secure. First, you click here on the world icon, you go to the retreat, then you're gonna walk and you're gonna speak with this old man. Then you're gonna click here on the wallet, choose your preferred wallet, connect it, and withdraw. Really simple. The more you withdraw, the less fees you're gonna pay. This is a way also for the sustainability of the game as they burn tokens. So why should you give Sunflowerland a try? First, it's a way to combine gaming and finance. Second, it's designed with longevity in mind thanks to its economic controls. And third, it's just plain fun. Seriously, I found myself losing track of time while exploring new lands and crafting items here. The developers have also done a fantastic job of fostering a vibrant community, regular updates, seasonal events, and new content keep the game fresh and engaging. Whether you are in it for the economic rewards or the joy of creating and exploring, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to start your Sunflowerland journey, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to supercharge your crypto knowledge, don't miss my DeFi ebook. It's packed with tips and strategies to help you succeed in the blockchain world. The link is in the pinned comment of this video, and your support means a lot for me. My ebook isn't just a guide, it's your roadmap for navigating the exciting and sometimes challenging world of decentralized finance. And by supporting the channel, you are also helping me create more daily content to keep you informed and entertained. And make money, of course. So, what do you think about Sunflowerland? Are you seeing these totems, these kind of crabs here, the bears, the bunny? All of this I earn by seasonal events or I bought on the marketplace, and they give me boosts on my harvest and rewards on the game. So, are you ready to start farming, crafting, and earning? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow. Until then, happy farming and happy earning.